Well guys, I'm cutting wheat here. Not quite sure what it is, but I think it's bearded white winter wheat out in Montana. And it is some awesome scenery. Wow. In the middle of a valley. They actually have two combines up there as well. It's been a while. It's pretty cool. Well guys, so as you can see, this is kind of a, hopefully this turns out well, but so I'm cutting with the draper or a regular head that basically takes in the entire plant or whatever you have, whatever I'm cutting, which right now in this case is wheat, so plant, stem and all. And the pass to my right was made with a stripper header. So what a stripper header does is it basically has a counter-rotating drum that just knocks just the head of wheat off, so just the thing that has all the grain in it, and leaves a ton of residue behind. So that a farmer wants us mainly to run that because they want when they get snow, snow and rain, they want to keep the moisture as much as possible because we're in really hilly territory. You can kind of see washouts. So they want to keep it as much as possible, so that's why they want us to use stripper headers, but we are using some drapers. And once I pick up, you guys will see I have essentially crop lifters on the front of them, which are foot-long metal bars that just help lift up down crop, because on the outside they are laying pretty flat, just because of the wind and everything, high wind they get out here. So, but yeah, just a quick difference. We're all cutting pretty steep hills here. There's one combine and the guy's disc, the farmer's disc in the back. Another combine, and you really can't see the trucks. They're off in the distance too. 4 combines, 2 carts, rolling on.
Preston, do you have any idea who would be next in line for trucks to be out here?
Out here in another Montana wheat field. This crew is using pickup heads and swathed wheat. So wheat that's already been picked up with a swather. This combine, we just fixed the fan drive on it. So it is just getting back and going. But basically the reason why this farm swathed its wheat, when I say swath, I basically just took a draper and laid the wheat in windrows that you can kind of see right there, like there-ish, is because that all the wheat was really late. They wanted to just get it cut and it could dry down about a week and a half faster, is what the farmer was saying. So that's why they did that. So, and that's why you got to use a pickup head when you're doing that. So this one coming at us, basically all it is just a head that with teeth similar to a hay pickup, and just comes by and picks it up off the ground. This is a pickup head. This is an older style, but it basically, like I said, just uses these teeth that go along the ground, pick up the wheat, throw it in the auger, that brings it to the center, and up into the combine just like normal. The newer ones have this style of belt, and it goes on to just a regular belt that brings it back to the auger, supposedly for better feeding. It's kind of interesting just seeing all these wheat with heads in the windrows. Usually just see them with straw. Just the straw, I should say. But so this is bearded wheat. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but this wheat does have whiskers on it, as some people like to say. And that is a big grain cart coming at it. Jeez, big grain cart tractor. It's a four-wheel drive. But if you take a look, like I said, the head, all it's doing is just picking it up off the ground and sending it into the combine. No different than what a draper head would do, except it takes a lot less power. And like I said, the advantage is that you can get in the field quicker. It's just an extra step with extra diesel fuel burnt. That is just a big grain cart tractor there. I'm gonna guess it's the farmers, what they use to seed wheat with. Here you can kind of see all 4 combines. 4 combines all running pickup heads in this field. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's definitely different being out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hartung Family Farms. And of course, as always, ta-ta for now.